I suppose one team pre-season we would have expected to be challenging was Derry City, and it's a weird one because you're in a situation now where you're thinking they've drawn away to Dundalk. Is that a good result for them? I mean, like it's not really like, you know, because for everything we spoke about in the preview, this is a newly promoted team, and in fact, I was just trying to keep an eye on the last 5-10 minutes of this game. It was Dundalk who were piling on and trying to get the win. I think the headline, James McClean come on in the second half. 2 quick yellow cards. I didn't see the first one, but the second one was a high boot. I know you'd had a McDonnell sent off there for sort of a blatant second yellow. I think the McClean one, I think by the letter of the law, it means a high boot. I don't know, was there other fouls in between? Like, I mean, 2 yellows for a sub. Was there any give or leeway given? I don't know, but overall, it adds to the picture of gloom around Derry. I feel that result.
What struck me from that game, again, not seeing it, but just looking at this, I mean, the stats were flashed up there at the end. Dundalk had 10 shots on target. I think Derry had only a couple, and Beach in particular was, I know, probably a bit critical of him up till now because of the goals conceded, but he seemed to have kept Derry in the game tonight. That's the concern for Derry, that they did scrape a point, but if Derry have serious ambitions this season, that's the game they should be targeting as a win. And it's a funny run coming up for Derry now as well. You know, they have, as we said, they haven't maximised their time at the Brandywell. They're going to be going to Celtic Park. Huge questions for them. Sean McGrover's going up to Derry in a couple of weeks. That all important game in GA HQ in Derry instead of the Brandywell. How is that another significant step on the road for Sean McGrovers to what we already looked like an inevitability, and more questions about Derry City?